So Indian Pacific Wheel Race is the race of the year, and we're going to open that up. And you want to put it on your phone because your Garmin's. I got a few backup options. I've got 2 iPhones and my Garmin 1000. I'm going to take it with us. So how to get this onto your iPhone? The best app is called Maps.me, and Jesse Carlson gave me that tip. Dean Johnson, shout out to Dean who gave me this heads up. So you got TCX, GPX. You want to go down to Google Earth KML, and you download that. And I've already done that. And then I emailed it to myself, and I'm going to transfer it to my phone now, and I'll show what I mean. Where I've just emailed. Okay, so I just emailed that KML file to myself. And I was looking for your mum's place, but didn't find that. And I'm basically going to go to my email. So I've just gone that. So click on that one. Click on the bottom right, bottom left. Scroll across. Import with maps.me. I'm going to hit that. I've already done that before. So I'll show one we prepared earlier. And there we go. And then we click down the bottom here. 2 stars. And look at that. Indian Pacific Wheel Race. We're going to hit on that. Oh, what did that say? Visible. Okay, so yeah. And that's it, man. That's the red line. That's the red line. So I'm taking 2 mobile phones with me. 2 iPhones with the maps.me and with this downloaded onto them. So then I can't get lost. I've got a Garmin 1000 as a backup. So I've got 2 backups for the backup. And just follow the line, man. Follow that red line. So shout out to Dean Johnson for giving me a heads up how to do this. And then shout out to Jesse Carlson for showing me a great app. Maps.me is a great offline maps. You need data to actually download the maps. But once they're on your phone, you got them for good. You can do updates what you want. But Maps.me, big, good app for exploring, man. Really detailed. Look at that. Stress Kidney, Sydney. What a shithole place to live. Great people. Some great people I know in Sydney, but mate, fuck, I would not fucking live there. You give me $100,000 a year, I wouldn't live in Sydney or Melbourne. Would not do it, man, for $100 grand a year. It's just a crazy place there, man. Just kills you, man. Eats your soul out. But anyway, so that's Indian Pacific Wheel Race, man. This is a soul. It's not a soul destroying race. It's a soul boosting race, man. It's just fucking epic, man. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, this is frothing, mate. Froth time. So be frothing across that lullaby. Oh my god. So there you go. That's how you do the Maps.me Indian Pacific Wheel Race hot tip from Jesse Carlson and Dean Johnson. Thanks for that, mate. Look at that. It's Adelaide. Oh, sweet Adelaide.